If you're looking for great new coffee, tea and espresso, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Better Chef. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Better Chef. Number 3, by Prime Pacific Trading Company. For more info about these great coffee, tea and espresso, just click this circle now. Number 4. Number 5, by Better Chef. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.